Today we're going to be subtracting integers, and it's going to be in the form of word problems. So sometimes I draw a picture, sometimes I look at a number line, sometimes I just know it. So the warmest temperature recorded in Knoxville, Tennessee was 105 degrees. The lowest temperature was negative 24 degrees. What was the difference between the highest and lowest temperatures? Well, if we draw ourselves a little thermometer, here's 105 way up here, there's 0, and there's minus 24. And it wants to know the differences between those temperatures. Well, since it's saying difference, we can subtract the two numbers, the highest minus the lowest. And that would end up being 105. Remember, change the minus sign to a plus sign and the negative to a positive. And we would end up with 129 degrees. A way you can check that is it's 105 degrees, or 105 from 105 to 0, and an additional 24 to get from 0 to negative 24 for a whole total of 129. Okay, another problem they like to do are like mountain problems, and they always find some really tall place and then some place below sea level. So we have 20,237 feet above sea level. It's the highest place in the United States. The lowest place is 279 feet below sea level. It's in a place called Death Valley, California. So what's the difference between the two? Well, you do 20,237 minus negative 279, and we would get, well, you have to do the same thing, add the opposite. And when you add the opposite, I believe it comes out something like 20,516 feet between the highest place and the lowest place in the United States.